ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిజం చాప్టర్ యొక్క బిట్స్ ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ బిట్, magnetic field is produced by the flow of current in a straight wire. This phenomenon was discovered by option A Coulomb, option B Oersted, option C Faraday, option D Maxwell. Answer is option B Oersted. Second bit, the magnetic field produced due to circular wire at its center is option A at 45 degrees to the plane of the wire, option B at 60 degrees to the plane of the wire, option C in the plane of the wire, option D perpendicular to the plane of the wire. Answer is option D perpendicular to the plane of wire. Third bit, at the center of the magnet, the magnetism is dash. Option A 0, option B same as at the poles, option C maximum, option D minimum. Answer is option A 0. Fourth bit, a DC generator is based on the principle of option A magnetic effect of current, option B heating effect of current, option C energy dissipation, option D electromagnetic induction. Answer is option D electromagnetic induction. Fifth one, dynamos and motors are based on option A Faraday's law and Ampere's force law respectively, option B Ampere's force law and Faraday's law respectively, option C Faraday's law, option D Ampere's force law. Answer is option A Faraday's law and Ampere's force law respectively. Sixth bit, for making strong electromagnet, the material of the core should be dash. Option A brass, option B laminated steel strips, option C soft iron, option D steel. Answer is option C soft iron. Seventh bit, a soft iron bar is introduced inside a current carrying solenoid. The magnetic field inside the solenoid, option A will increase, option B will remain unaffected, option C will become 0, option D will decrease. Answer is option A will increase. Eighth bit, the magnetic field lines inside a current carrying solenoid are option A straight, option B circular, option C parabolic, option D curved. Answer is option A straight. Ninth bit, a device for producing electric current is called option A generator, option B voltmeter, option C galvanometer, option D ammeter. Answer is option A generator. 10th bit, the frequency of direct current is option A 0, option B 50 Hz, option C 60 Hz, option D 100 Hz. Answer is A 0. The frequency of household supply of AC alternating current in India is dash. Option A 0, option B 50 Hz, option C 60 Hz, option D 100 Hz. Answer is option B 50 Hz. 12th bit, a rectangular coil of copper wire is rotated in a magnetic field. The direction of the induced current changes once in each. Option A 1 revolution, B 1/4 revolution, C half revolution, D 2 revolutions. Answer is C half revolution. 13. Who invented electric generator? A Oersted, B Coulomb, C Rutherford, D Faraday. Answer is D Faraday. 14. An induction stove works on the principle of A induced EMF, B magnetic induction, C electric induction, D. Electromagnetic induction. Answer is D. Electromagnetic induction. 15. The SI unit of magnetic flux is A. Weber meter square. B. Weber. C. Weber per meter. D. None. Answer is B. Weber. 16. Which of the following is that the number of lines passing through the plane of area A perpendicular to the field? A. Magnetic flux. B. Magnetic force. C. Magnetic field. D. Magnetic flux density. Answer is A. Magnetic flux. 17. Which of the following is also called Tesla? A. Weber per meter. B. Weber per meter square. C. Meter square per Weber. D. Weber square meter. Option B correct. Answer is option B. That is Weber per meter square. 18. Which of the following is the value of magnetic force on the moving charge can be found experimentally when a charge Q moves with velocity V perpendicular to the magnetic field B? A. F is equal to QVB. B. F is equal to Q is equal to FVB. C. B is equal to FVQ. D. F is equal to BVQ. Answer is option A. F is equal to QVB. 19. In right hand rule, the forefinger, middle finger and thumb are dash. A. Perpendicular. B. Coincident. C. Parallel. D. None. Answer is option A. That is perpendicular. 20. When there is an angle between direction of field and velocity, the magnetic force experienced by the charge is given by A. F is equal to QB sin theta. B. F is equal to QB cos theta. C. Q is equal to FBB cos theta. D. B is equal to QBF sin theta. Answer is A. That is F is equal to QBB sin theta. 21. Which of the following principle do we use in the case of using ATM card when its magnetic strip is swiped through a scanner? A. EMF. B. Electric induction. C. Electromagnetic induction. D. Magnetic induction. Answer is option C. That is electromagnetic induction. 22. Which of the following equations gives the force acting on the current carrying wire when theta be the angle between direction of current and magnetic field? A. F is equal to LIB sin theta. B. F is equal to LBI sin theta. C. F is equal to ILB cos theta. D. F is equal to ILB sin theta. Answer is option D correct. That is F is equal to ILB sin theta. 23. In right hand rule, the forefinger points toward the direction of A. Velocity. B. Force. C. Field. D. All. Our answer is option A. Velocity. 24. In right hand rule, the middle finger points toward the direction of dash. A. Force. B. Velocity. C. Field. D. All. Answer is option C. Field. 25. In right hand rule, the thumb gives the direction of dash. A. Force. B. Velocity. C. Field. D. None of these. Answer is A. That is force. 26. Which law states that the induced EMF generated in a closed loop is equal to the rate of charge of magnetic flux passing through it? A. Loop law. B. Junction law. C. Lenz law. D. Faraday's law. Answer is option D. Faraday's law. 27. Which of the following is the unit of magnetic flux density? A. Weber per meter square. B. Weber per meter. C. Weber. D. None. Answer is option A. Weber per meter square. 28. Generally, which rule is used when velocity and field are perpendicular to each other? A. Left hand rule. B. Lenz law. C. Kirchhoff's law. D. Right hand rule. Option D correct. That is right hand rule. 29. electric charges in motion produce? A. Electric fields. B. Electric current. C. Magnetic current. D. Magnetic fields. Answer is option D. Magnetic fields. 30. Which of the following is the product of current and EMF or voltage? A. Magnetic power. B. Magnetic field. C. Electric power. D. Electric current. Answer is option C. Electric power. 31. Which of the following is defined as the magnetic flux passing through unit area taken perpendicular to the field? A. Magnetic flux density. B. Magnetic field. C. Magnetism. D. Magnetic flux. Answer is option A. Magnetic flux density. 32. To understand the working of an electric motor, we need to understand the behavior of a dash kept in uniform magnetic field. A. Magnetic carrying coil. B. Electric field carrying coil. C. Magnetic field carrying coil. C. Current carrying coil. Answer is option D. Current carrying coil. 33. Which of the following questions holds well only when direction of electric current is perpendicular to the magnetic field? A. F is equal to ILB. B. F is equal to Q of L by T. C. F is equal to QVB. D. F is equal to capital Q small b capital B. Answer is option A. F is equal to ILB. 34. Which of the following laws state that the induced EMF generated in a closed loop is equal to the rate of change of magnetic flux passing through it? A. Kirchhoff's law. B. Lenz's law. C. Ohm's law. D. Faraday's law. Answer is option D. Faraday's law. 35. The direction of magnetic force is always dash to the direction of both velocity and magnetic field. A. Perpendicular. B. Parallel. C. A and B. D. None. Answer is option A. Perpendicular. 36. What is the value of theta when charge moves parallel to the magnetic field? A. 0. B. 1. C. 2. D. 3. Answer is option A. 0. 37. Which of the following formula is used when plane makes an angle with the field if theta be the angle between magnetic field B and normal to the plane with area A? A. B is equal to A cos theta. B. B is equal to phi by A cos theta. C. B is equal to I by A. D. B is equal to A by I cos theta. Answer is option B correct. That is B is equal to phi by A cos theta. 38. Magnetic flux density is the same as A. Magnetic flux density. B. Magnetic flux by area. C. Area by magnetic force. D. Magnetic flux by magnetic force. Answer is option B. That is magnetic flux by area. 39. Which of the following laws state that the inclined current will appear in such a direction that it appears the changes in the flux in the coil? A. EMF. B. Electric induction. B. Magnetic induction. D. Electromagnetic induction. Answer is option D. Electromagnetic induction. 40. The magnetic force on a current carrying wire placed in a uniform magnetic field if the wire is oriented parallel to the magnetic field is A. ILB. B. ILB cos theta. C. ILB sin theta. D. 0. Answer is option C. ILB sin theta. 41. The magnetic force on a current carrying wire placed in uniform magnetic field if the wire is oriented parallel to magnetic field is A. ILB. B. 0. C. ILB sin theta. D. ILB cos theta. Answer is B. 0. 42. Frequency of the direct current is A. 0. B. 90. C. 240. D. Any number may exist. Answer is option A. 0. 43. A motor converts dash energy to dash energy. A. Mechanical to electrical. B. electrical to light, C, electrical to mechanical, D, all of the above. Answer is option C, electrical to mechanical. 44. If a conductor with 3 ampere current kept in 0.3 Tesla magnetic field density making an angle of 30 degrees is A 27, B 0.9 by 2, C 30.9, D depends on the length of the conductor. Answer is D, depends on the length of the conductor. 45. The relation between the direction of dash and dash is established in Maxwell's corkscrew law. A. Electric current, magnetic field. B. Induced current, resultant magnetic field. C. Quantity of current and magnetic field. D. Induced voltage frequency. Answer is option A correct. Electric current and magnetic field. 46. Dash is the law that establishes the relation between the direction of magnetic field and electric current. A. Faraday's law. B. Ampere's right hand. C. Fleming's right hand. D. None of these. Answer is option B. Ampere's right hand law. 47. In a uniform magnetic field, dash is constant. A. Magnetic field induction. B. Magnetic field density. C. Field direction. D. All of the above. Answer is option D. All of the above. That means magnetic field induction, magnetic field density, field direction. 48. In an AC generator, the direction of current changes because of dash. A. External magnet. B. Carbon brushes. C. Slip rings. D. All the above. Answer is option C. Slip rings. 49. Thumb of right hand indicates dash as per Ampere's law. A. Magnetic flux direction. B. Motion direction. C. Induced EMF direction. D. Field direction. Answer is option B. Motion direction. 50. Solenoid works as dash when current passes through it. A. Bar magnet. B. AC generator. C. DC generator. D. All of the above. Answer is option A. Bar magnet. 51. Dash law gives us about minus sign in epsilon is proportional to minus d phi b by dt. A. Oersted. B. Faraday. C. Lenz. D. Weber. Answer is option C. Lenz law. 52. F is equal to ILB by 2. Then the angle between the conductor and magnetic field direction is A. 30 degrees. B. 45 degrees. C. 60 degrees. D. 90 degrees. Answer is option A, because F is equal to ILB sin theta. Theta is 30. Sin 30 1 by 2. So ILB by 2. 53. Magnetic lines of force moves from dash to dash pole. Option A. North to south. B. South to north. C. Center to north. D. Center to south. Answer is option A. North to south. 54. The magnetic field induction is 0 at dash of bar magnet. A. Poles. B. Center. C. Neutral points. D. All of the above. Answer is C. At neutral points. 55. The relation between flux phi, field induction B, area of loop A and angle theta is A. Phi is equal to BA cos theta. B. Phi by A secant theta is equal to B. C. A is equal to phi by B cos theta. D. All of the above. Option D correct. That is phi is equal to BA cos theta. Phi by A secant theta. Phi by A secant theta is equal to B. A is equal to phi by B cos theta. 56. The direction of lines of force in the outer side of the solenoid is A. North to south. B. South to north. C. East to west. D. None. Answer is option A. North to south. 57. If a Q charged particle is moving with a speed of v in a B inductive field is moving, then the force on this particle is A. F is equal to QVB, B. F is equal to QVB sin theta, C. F is equal to QVB cos theta, D. F is equal to QVB secant theta. Answer is option B. F is equal to QVB sin theta. 58. If Q charged particle having a mass m is moving with V, speed in B induction field, then the radius is dash. A. R is equal to mv by qb, B. R is equal to mv by qb, C. R is equal to mq by pv, D. None. Answer is option B. R is equal to mv by qb. 59. C's unit for magnetic field induction is dash. A. WB, B. Weber, C. Gauss, D. Tesla. Answer is option C. Gauss. 60. MK unit for magnetic flux is dash. A. Weber, B. Gauss, C. Tesla, D. None. Answer is option A. Weber. 61. Formula for angular velocity is dash. A. Angular displacement by time, B. Distance by time, C. Angular acceleration by angular velocity, D. None of these. Answer is A. Angular displacement by time. 62. The force applied by remote control on a TV is dash. A. Electrical, B. Field, C. Frictional, D. Magnetic. Answer is B. Field force. That means non-contact force. 63. The core of electromagnet must be of dash. A. Soft iron, B. Hard iron, C. Rusted iron, D. Iron. Answer is option A. Soft iron. 64. At the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit dash. A. Reduces substantially, B. Does not change, C. Increases heavily, D. Varies continuously. Answer is option C. Increases heavily. 65. Which of the following is not attracted by magnet? A. Steel, B. Cobalt, C. Brass, D. Nickel. Answer is C. Brass, because it is the diamagnetic substance. 66. The north pole of Earth's magnet is in the dash. A. Geographical south, B. Geographical east, C. Geographical west, D. Geographical north. Answer is option A. Geographical south. 67. The axis of Earth's magnetic field is inclined with the geographical axis at an angle of about dash. A. 5 degrees, B. 15 degrees, C. 25 degrees, D. 35 degrees. Answer is option B. 15 degrees. 68. The magnetic field lines dash. A. Intersect at right angles to one another, B. Intersect at an angle of 45 degrees to each other, C. Do not cross one another, D. Cross at an angle of 60 degrees to another, D. Cross at an angle of 60 degrees to one another. Answer is option C. Do not cross one another. 69. The metallic pointer of plotting compass gets deflected only when it is placed near a bar magnet because the pointer has dash. A. Electromagnetism, B. Permanent magnetism, C. Ferromagnetism, D. Induced magnetism. Answer is option B. Permanent magnetism. 70. The shape of the Earth's magnetic field resembles that of an imaginary dash. A. U-shaped magnet, B. Straight conductor, C. Circular coil, D. Bar magnet. Answer is option D. Bar magnet. 71. A magnet attracts dash. A. Plastics, B. Any metal, C. Aluminium, D. Iron and steel. Answer is option D. Iron and steel. 72. A plotting compass is placed near the south pole of bar magnet. The pointer of plotting compass will dash. A. Point away from South Pole. B. Point parallel to South Pole. C. Point towards South Pole. D. Point at right angles to the South Pole. Answer is option C. Point toward the South Pole. 73. The CGS unit of magnetic flux is dash. A. Weber. B. Weber per meter. C. Maxwell. D. Gauss. Answer is C. Maxwell. 74. The conductivity of magnetic substance for the lines of force with respect to air called the dash. A. Magnetic induction. B. Magnetic permeability. C. Intensity of magnetism. D. Magnetic flux density. Answer is B. Magnetic permeability. 75. The device used for producing electric current is called A. Generator. B. Galvanometer. C. Ammeter. D. Motor. Answer is A. Generator. 76. A Tesla is equal to dash. A. Newton per second. B. Newton per ampere meter. C. Newton per ampere second. D. Ampere per Newton. Answer is B. Newton per ampere meter. 77. The right hand thumb rule is stated by dash. Eisenstadt. B. Maxwell. C. Fleming. D. Ampere. Answer is option D. Ampere. 78. Domestic circuits always have this in series with the circuit. A. Fuse. B. Ammeter. C. Voltmeter. D. Galvanometer. Answer is A. Fuse. 79. The SI unit of inductance Henry can be written as A. Weber per ampere. B. Volt second by ampere. C. Joule by ampere square. D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. 80. The vertical component of the Earth's magnetic field is dash. A. 0 at magnetic pole. B. 0 at geographic pole. C. Same everywhere. D. 0 at magnetic equator. Answer is D. 0 at magnetic equator. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Please do like, share this video and subscribe to our channel.